I used a digital camera, and for editing, I used softwares associated with professional media production. Programs from Adobe, such as Premiere style editing tools, help me cut clips, control pacing, and add suspenseful timing. Editing was also crucial because psychological thrillers rely mainly on rhythm and delayed reveals. I shortened certain shots and held others longer to increase tension and suspense, especially during the phone discovery and the final reveal. I also used graphic design tools such as those from Canva to create title, posters, and promotional material. Technology also helped with sound. I adjusted volume levels and added subtle ambient noises to create suspense. I also used a lot of music and sounds to create the suspense that I was looking for. I also used color correction tools to slightly darken scenes and increase the contrast, just like the scene where she's walking down the road in the afternoon. I used that to really explain the lighting, and I used mostly natural lights as our source of lighting. Online tools were also essential during pre production. I used streaming platforms and video sites like YouTube to analyze thriller openings and study how tension is built through camera work, lighting, sound, and editing. Watching real life examples really helped me understand conventions and apply them to my own work. I also used the internet to research about genre conventions, the directors that I took into contrast with, and in institutions which shaped my creative decision and narrative structure. Finally, I used social media platforms such as Instagram to share posters, captions, and trailers for my sequence. This reflects real media distribution where films are marketed digitally to reach audiences. Posting online allowed me to target a teenage audience similar to my protagonist and gather feedback. Overall, technology was integrated throughout my project. Hardware helped me capture cinematic footage, software allowed me to shape pacing, visuals, and sound, and online platforms supported research, promotion, and audience engagement. Without these technologies, it would have been much harder to create a convincing psychological thriller opening that reflects real media production process.